Dreaming of a lush garden, but limited by space? Discover how you can turn even the smallest urban courtyard into a green paradise. In today's video, we'll explore innovative design ideas that can transform your small urban courtyard into a stunning garden oasis. Whether you have a tiny patio or a compact backyard, these tips will help you make the most of your space. Get ready to create a beautiful, functional, and relaxing courtyard garden that you'll love. Understanding courtyard gardens. Courtyard gardens are small, enclosed outdoor spaces. They are perfect for urban homes with limited space. These gardens offer a private retreat from the busy city life. Having a courtyard garden has many benefits. It provides a green space to relax and unwind. It also enhances the beauty of your home and can even increase its value. Courtyard gardens can be designed in many styles. You can create a peaceful, zen-like garden or a vibrant, colorful one. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Planning your courtyard garden. Start by assessing your available space. Measure the area and note any existing features like walls or fences. This will help you plan the layout. Consider the sunlight and shade in your courtyard. Some plants need full sun, while others thrive in the shade. Choose plants that will do well in your specific conditions. Next, think about the climate in your area. Select plants that are suitable for your local weather. This will make your garden easier to maintain. Decide on a theme or style for your garden. Do you want a modern look with clean lines, or a more natural, rustic feel? Having a clear vision will guide your design choices. Vertical gardening. Vertical gardening is a great way to save space. It involves growing plants up instead of out. This is perfect for small courtyards. You can use living walls, trellises, or vertical planters. These options add greenery without taking up much floor space. Choose plants that are suitable for vertical growth. Climbers like ivy or flowering vines work well. You can also use hanging planters for herbs or small flowers. Maintaining vertical gardens is easy. Just make sure the plants get enough water and light. Regularly trim and check for pests to keep them healthy. Smart use of space. Make use of every corner and wall. Install shelves or wall-mounted planters to maximize space. Consider multifunctional furniture. Benches with built-in storage or foldable tables are great options. Create seating areas with comfortable chairs and small tables. This makes your courtyard inviting and functional. Incorporate pathways to define different areas. Use stepping stones or gravel paths to add structure. Choosing the right plants. Select plants based on your space and light conditions. Choose a mix of sizes and types to add variety. Low-maintenance plants are ideal for urban gardens. Succulents, herbs, and small shrubs are good options. Use planters and pots to organize your plants. This allows you to move them around and create different arrangements. Mix and match colors and textures to make your garden visually appealing. Incorporating water features. Water features add a soothing element to your garden. They create a calming atmosphere and attract birds and butterflies. Consider small water features like fountains or bird baths. These are easy to install and maintain. Make sure to keep the water clean and check for any leaks. Regular maintenance will keep your water feature looking great. Lighting and ambiance. Lighting is important in small gardens. It extends the usability of your courtyard into the evening. Use solar lights, string lights, or lanterns to add a warm glow. Place them strategically to highlight plants and pathways. Create ambiance by choosing soft, warm lighting. This makes your garden cozy and inviting. Decor and accessories. Personalize your garden with decor and accessories. Add cushions, rugs, and outdoor art to make the space your own. Choose accessories that enhance the space without cluttering it. Keep it minimal and functional. Consider using mirrors to create the illusion of more space. Reflective surfaces can make your courtyard feel larger. Maintenance tips. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy garden. Water your plants, prune them, and check for pests regularly. Adjust your care routine with the seasons. Some plants may need more attention in certain times of the year. Keep your garden tidy by removing dead leaves and debris. This will keep it looking fresh and beautiful. Recap the key points: planning, vertical gardening, smart use of space, choosing the right plants, water features, lighting, decor, and maintenance. Encourage to start planning and creating their own courtyard garden. Like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor ideas.